Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at what you can do if the turn on fast startup option is missing in Windows. For a more in-depth look at the problem, be sure to check out the article linked in the description. Let's try doing this in the command prompt. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Then type in powercfg / hibernate space on and hit enter. Then restart your system to see if you can turn on the fast startup option. To do that, go to the control panel, select System and Security, Power Options, choose what the power buttons do, change settings that are currently unavailable. You should have the option to turn on the fast startup or turn it off then. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.